Hello children. Now today we will be starting with chapter number 3, Advanced Features of Word Processor. Till now we have completed two chapters, chapter 1 and 2. Now we will be starting with Advanced Features of Word Processor. Now this is page number 23. Now in this chapter what we will be learning is the key concepts are formatting text using Format Painter, changing font effects, shadow effects, using editing tools in MS Word, inserting header and footer, page formatting, setting tabs, indentation, find and replace features, working with shapes, working with smart art, word art, and formatting a table, formatting a table, and formatting a table. Now these are all the key concepts which we will be going to study in this chapter. These are one by one given. We will be starting with one by one. And you all know about word processor. You have already studied in the last class also about the word processor. Now we will be starting with this. You must have already learned how to use Microsoft Word 2016. As you know, Microsoft Word 2016 is a word processor using which you can create and edit documents. Now Microsoft 2016 you already know, and in this we can create and edit the documents. Assuming that you have already learned to create, edit or formatting a document. Why assuming? Because you have already studied about this in the last class, how to create and edit a document. This chapter goes one step further in explaining the advanced features used in Word 2016. Now, we'll start with the first text, that is formatting text using Format Painter. Format Painter is used to copy formatting from one item to another. Please underline this. What does this Formatting Painter do? It is used to copy formatting from one item to the another one. For example, if some text is written and formatted using a specific font, type, color and font size, to copy that formatting to another section of text, Format Painter tool is used. Now, how you will do is, if you have already written something, now you want to change that font type and the color, for that you will use this Format Painter. What are the steps given? The steps are as follows. Turn the page. You can see this window when you will open your computer or laptop at home. Figure 3.1 using Format Painter. This you will be seeing when you want to edit something in Format Painter. So the steps are: select the text whose formatting you would like to do. Click the Format Painter button once. Highlight the text you want to reformat. Now what is the first thing given? See here, the first thing is given, select the text. First of all, you have to select what you want to format. Then the second step is click the Format Painter button once. After this, it will be selected. Then you will click here. This is step 2. And then highlight the text you want to reformat. After that, it will be highlighted. And after highlighting, you will be getting the new format where you want to keep, or in which format you want to keep your text. So today we will be doing this much only. In the next we will learn about changing font effects. Till then, children, please revise. Those who have laptops and desktops at home, you can revise this. These are the steps, and this is the window. You can from here you can see and you can try it at your home. Till then, please revise. Thank you so much.